Dear viewers, today we are sharing a story to help you improve your English. It is not a lesson and not a test. It is simply a calm story that you can listen to and enjoy. In this story, we will take a gentle journey into the mountains. We will walk slowly, observe the details, and enjoy the beauty of nature together. While you listen, I invite you to imagine the scene and feel as if you are part of it. You don't need to understand every word. Just relax and follow the meaning. Little by little, your English will improve naturally. So get comfortable, clear your mind, and let us begin our walk into the mountains. Dear viewers, today I want to share with you a story that I personally imagined, a story that feels like a long walk into the mountains. Imagine that we are stepping together into a quiet path, far away from noise and hurry. Can you feel the ground beneath your feet? The earth is soft, slightly warm from the sun, and the stones are smooth under every careful step. We begin at the bottom of the mountains. The peaks rise slowly ahead, steady and calm, shaped by time and wind. Their surfaces are a mix of soft brown and grey, and small patches of green mark where grass or tiny bushes grow. I wondered, do you have mountains like this in your country? How do they make you feel when you look at them from afar? The air is fresh, filled with a natural scent that is hard to describe but easy to notice. It makes your lungs feel lighter and your mind a little calmer. Trees start to appear along our path. Some are tall, with deep green leaves that tremble lightly in the wind. Others are smaller, young, and flexible, reaching toward the sunlight. When the wind moves through them, they produce a soft, gentle sound, like a quiet conversation. Can you hear it in your imagination? As we continue walking, the path rises slowly, winding gently among rocks and small streams. Tiny flowers grow along the sides, adding touches of yellow, white, and purple. Every detail feels alive. I want you to notice it with me. Look closely at the way the sunlight touches the stones, the way shadows move across the ground, and the way the wind brushes against your face. Which part of nature do you feel closest to when you are outside flowers, trees, water, or the wind? The view behind us is opening gradually. Valleys stretch far below, painted in green and brown, dotted with paths that look like thin lines drawn by hand. The mountains across the valley rise sharply, their peaks catching the sunlight. Some are soft and round, others sharp and powerful. When you see such a view, do you feel small, or do you feel calm and protected by the vastness? Now look upward. The sun is high, spreading warm golden light across the mountains. The rocks glow softly, and the trees seem brighter, almost alive with energy. Birds fly above us, small against the wide blue sky, gliding without effort. Their freedom makes you think, if you could take one thing from nature with you, what would it be? As we move higher, the path becomes narrower. Small streams cross our way, making a gentle sound that mixes with the wind and the distant cries of birds. The air smells fresher here, cleaner and cooler. Each step feels like a little achievement, just like learning English, right? Some steps are easy, some are hard, but every step moves you forward. What part of your English journey feels like a climb to you? We reach a plateau, a quiet space where the mountains surround us, and the world below feels peaceful and distant. Here, I stop to breathe with you. The sun warms our faces, the wind whispers, and everything feels connected. Look at the peaks in front of us. They are strong, patient, and steady. What do they remind you of in your own life? A few trees grow near the plateau, their branches stretching toward the sky. Their leaves shimmer lightly with the wind, producing a gentle music. The path continues further up, but for now, let's sit and observe. Can you feel the calm settling in your chest? This is the moment where nature and quiet work together to teach us patience. We continue slowly, higher and higher. The air is thinner here, but each breath feels clean and fresh. The mountains open up again, showing endless ridges and valleys. Sunlight dances across the peaks, sometimes hiding them in shadow, sometimes revealing every small detail. How do you usually notice the light in your surroundings through colors, shapes, or feelings it gives you? Birds fly closer now, landing on rocks or trees, observing us as if we are part of their world. We continue walking carefully, feeling every step. The mountains seem to respond to us with quiet approval, their stillness teaching us to slow down and appreciate every detail. Can you feel that peace right now, even from where you are? The sun is starting to lower slowly. Its light becomes softer, golden, and warm. Shadows stretch longer across the mountains, giving them a gentle, magical appearance. This is the perfect moment to pause, breathe, and feel gratitude for the journey we share. What are you grateful for today, dear viewers? Finally, as we reach the highest point for today, we stand together, looking at the vast view, the valleys, peaks, streams, trees, and sunlight form a living painting before our eyes. I hope you can see it as clearly in your mind as I do while telling you this story. And remember, every step we took, every small detail we noticed, is part of learning not only English, but also how to see, how to feel, and how to slow down in life. Take a deep breath now and let the mountains, the sun, the wind, and the birds stay with you. Carry this calm, this attention, and this feeling of achievement with you. And before we finish today, I want to ask, which part of this journey did you love the most? The path, the trees, the sunlight, or the birds? Share it in the comments because your thoughts make every story richer.